What's the meaning of bus stop? Bus stop. Bus stop.
Bus stop. Bus stop. A bus stop is a designated area where buses stop to pick up and drop off passengers. Typically located along a bus route, it is marked with a sign or other means of identification to assist passengers in locating the stop. Bus stops may vary in size and amenities offered, such as benches or shelters to protect waiting passengers from inclement weather. They are an important part of public transportation infrastructure, allowing for efficient movement of people and vehicles.